Hi traders, today we're going to go through the inside bar. So basically an inside bar is a bar that has a range, the high and its low, that is inside the previous candle's high and low range. So if we use this large bearish candle, the high is here and the low is down here obviously, and then this white small candle is the inside bar with the high and low within the high and low of the first candle, which we would call the mother bar. So the problem we've got though is that inside bars can form all over our charts. If we look at this chart, we've got an inside bar here, this being the mother bar, inside bar here, inside bar here. So obviously they're quite a common occurrence, and we need to make sure we know when to trade the inside bar and when not to. I personally use the inside bar to trade breakout trades. So here's an example of a breakout trade. We've got a key level marked in red. Price comes up, gets rejected, pushes back down. Price manages to close above this key level with this white bullish candle, and then we get an inside bar which manages to touch this level and reject it, which is enough for me to take a long trade on this. Here's another example. Very important key level. Price has been unable to close above it. When we actually manage to get a close above it, although this breakout candle isn't massive, it has managed to close, and then we get an inside bar again, managing to show some rejection of this key level, because obviously what we want to see is a key level to break and then get retested to confirm that it's acting now as support for a bullish trade. And again, this is a trade I would have taken to go long. Other example, so we've got this key level, price has been unable to close. It's obviously tried to break through and then been rejected, but it's not been able to close below this level. We get this black bearish candle managing to close below, and then we get an inside bar again, comes back up to this level, shows a very minor rejection, but is unable to close back above. So now in my head I can see this as a level that is holding and then is a potential trade to short. So it's pretty simple really. We need to use the inside bar to trade the breakout trade. We need to make sure that the breakout candle, the mother bar, closes beyond the key level we're looking to trade from, and then we're also looking for the inside bar to come back to that level and show some rejection and not close back beyond that level. One thing though I'd like to mention, and if I go back to this example, the size of the candle that breaks out and closes above the level is really important. If the candle was twice as large as this, so it finished up here, I wouldn't be looking for an inside bar set up to take this long, because for me it's overextended. I'm looking for a fairly good size candle, but not a massive candle. If it's a massive candle and closes all the way up here, I'll wait for price to come back down and retest and trade. Look for a long trade off a swing point. So the inside bar is only used when we're trading the breakout when the candle is not a huge bar, because it means that we're not overextended and not going to have a high chance of getting the price pulling back on us. So that's about it really. They don't happen as often as obviously swing trades, but you do need to keep an eye out on these because they are high probability trades. I will be going through in another video exactly where I'd place my entry point and stop loss and take profits. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot. Speak soon.